So what's your name?
Noah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
And where are you from?
Antioch.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Is that where you live? Where else do you live?
In Hayward and Dingaringas.
You live in Dingaringas?
Yeah.
What's out in Dingaringas?
Derek.
And who's that, mommy's friend?
Mm-hmm. Stay in there.
And where does Muma live?
In San Francisco.
And where are we, what city are we at right now?
4th Street.
No.
2nd Street.
No.
3rd Street.
We can be here all day, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I don't see my glasses. Where are my glasses?